Active sent us their Activewear laundry detergent for our review, which is fantastic because we already use this stuff. It is really great for all of your active wear. Like if you're going to the gym, our stepdaughter, she has PE at school 4 times a week. So we like to take all of that clothing and we will wash them together with this stuff. It has these enzymes in there that will completely remove those odors. And you know those like your gym towels, that like mildewy smell, completely gone with this stuff. It's also really great because it's not going to drain the color from your clothing, and it also is going to help tighten the fibers in your clothing, because oftentimes, you know, when you're wearing the same things over and over and washing them repeatedly, because after one gym use, my clothing needs to get washed, and it just kind of starts to get loose and broken down. This actually helps to keep those fibers nice and tight. So if you are looking to get rid of those really not so great odors, I'm also thinking like hockey season's coming up right now, so all those hockey gym bags, all of those. So if you have an active family, you definitely want to get your hands on this Activewear laundry detergent.